Everclear, Lenny Kravitz, and Fastball.
Let's try bottle bread. It's starting.
Crew is big and it keeps getting bigger.
For $3.50 in postage, Super Mario All-Stars free with 4 more.
Hey, we're back for dinner and a movie. We're watching Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Is what I'd like to
Hey kids, stop running in the house! I'm just kidding. No kids live here. Hi, welcome to the only cooking show on the internet. It's hard being a single dad, I assume. Making meals for 3 kids and a live-in brother-in-law and another guy who is a friend, I guess, and just makes funny noises and plays with puppets. It's a full house. That's all hypothetical. Now, I know what you're thinking. You spend all your time at home with your kids and your giant house and never any time at your vague job. Well, shut up. I don't have time to spend hours in front of my oven cooking food. Thankfully, I found this book, which tells me how to spend hours in front of a microwave cooking food. It mysteriously has no copyright page, so anytime between JCPenney's origin and today, this timeless book was created to help people spend the same amount of time making worse food. Now, who hasn't had the heartwarming experience of a coworker warming up seafood in the office microwave? Well, what if they were cooking that food from scratch? That's what we're gonna find out today. I have selected 3 recipes from this book that we're gonna make for my 3 small children, allegedly. We're gonna start off this evening with garlic shrimp. Our entree this evening will be savory pork chops and rice. And I noticed there's a section called breads in this book, so to round out our meal, we're gonna serve chili cheese cornbread. Technically bread. So with all that said, let's get cooking. Hi, welcome to my house in Americatown, USA. I've got all this stuff gathered for the recipes. I'll go ahead and get everything prepped. Easy. All right, we're gonna start with cornbread. Mix cornmeal, flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl set aside. Set aside. Place butter in small bowl. Butter, small bowl.
What are you doing?
It's Danny, the wacky neighbor. Do the thing that you always do that the audience loves. That's it. That's the dance that everybody loves.
It's my trademark.
We just have to melt the butter. Microwave it high for 45 seconds.
Wait. Get the camera up so I can film it.
Oh, this is popping. That can't be good.
I don't think we got the cheese out of the freezer.
It's in the freezer? It'll be fun.
It'll be great.
Butter is melted. It did not take 60 seconds. It took 20.
This is an old book. The microwaves had less power back then.
They didn't have as many rights. Okay.
How much cheese?
Stop touching that when we're talking. All right, now we just add everything to this. Okay. Do we have a can opener?
No.
Well, this will be fun. It's just like the 50s.
Oh, that sound.
ASMR.
In the 90s, they didn't have can openers, so
we don't know what year this takes place. Drain that corn. One egg, slightly beaten. Oh no.
How big is the can?
I made the hole too small. But we can get it.
That sound.
ASMR.
No.
Okay.
Now.
Well, don't. It's ready for loading.
Salt, garlic powder. Do you have the garlic powder?
No.
The garlic powder. Boom.
G-lick.
G-lick.
Oh no.
What? Yikes.
I'm getting so much faster. Hug. Oh my god.
Oh, she did it! You're gonna get radiation poisoning.
I want it right into my brain.
I try it?
Time for egg.
So do we have to wait or can we just eat it? What are the rules?
I don't know.
Rice,
Ah.
water, is that all?
Yeah. You're so wacky.
So wacky.
Now this goes in.
Do I video the rice?
Nah.
Okay.
Everybody knows what rice looks like.
Rice.
Rice is done. Ow, ow, ow. Fluff. Arrange chops in a 9-inch square baking dish with meaty portions toward the outside. Can do. These pork chops are larger than I expected. Look at those outside meaty portions. Place 1 onion and 1 green pepper slice on each chop. I'm gonna do more than that because that doesn't seem like enough. In a small mixing bowl, mix remaining ingredients, which would be chops have been poured over, onions have been peppered. We're ready to go. This is gonna take so long. 17 minutes, and I can't do anything else because I'm just using the microwave. Okay. It's so watery.
Ew. Oh gosh, it's so white. It's so boiled looking.
Mmm.
Oh gosh. Wait, isn't there a whole lesson on like browning in the microwave?
Time out. You have to freeze when I time out.
I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're not frozen! There's a whole section in the book about browning food because cooking food in the microwave doesn't brown it enough. It just looks boiled. This is disgusting. They recommended this browning and seasoning sauce, but I didn't use it because I was like, it's covered. It's gonna be covered in everything. But that didn't work out because this looks, I don't know if this is cooked. Time in. No.
Oh. I love to make my lunch fresh at my desk at work. And I would love a recipe where I can just make my shrimp from scratch.
Who wouldn't love that?
In the office kitchenette.
To teach you how to do that, wacky neighbor, we have butter and minced garlic in this pan. We're gonna microwave it on high for 1 to 1.5 minutes until
Perfect.
garlic browns. The butter in the other pan melted in about 15 seconds.
Yes.
So
I would do it on power level 5.
It doesn't say. It says
But
microwave
I-
at high.
But I would do it at power level 5 because if you do it at high, it pops and splatters.
I am a slave to the book.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! You're just my neighbor.
Oh.
That's assault. I could kill you. All right, that's nope.
What?
30 more seconds.
Shrimp, fresh from the sea. The pound?
Yeah.
Just cover the bottom.
Okay.
Maybe do them all.
No, that's too many. Power level 7 for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. Wow, this is quick. It doesn't seem evenly cooked.
Oh, not at all.
It's like Russian roulette with your
I
shrimp.
know.
When it comes out, we'll put in the shaky cheese. Think. This is not in a can. Beautifully cooked shrimp. 1.5 teaspoons. Now we're gonna eyeball this. Okay, we'll plop that in the holding oven and set the table. I need those pogs tomorrow. Look, you say it's a fad. This is the new thing. It's not going away. Give me 1,000. Business. Now, we've established I'm a family man. There's no shame in being a sitcom dad.
Not be let out on bail during the appellate process.
As long as you don't look too far into it. So we've done the hard part of making the food. Now the enjoyable part of inviting the kids over to have dinner. They don't live here because it's not 19 anymore. So they are grown. They live with their own families in different houses, and it's just me and 2 guys living here now. So let's call the kids. And we'll get them over here. You know, I seem to have forgotten the number for him. I don't use the keypad that often, but I've got the number somewhere. It doesn't look like they're in my main contacts, but they're in my text history because they keep texting me for some reason. Okay, got it. Hey, sport. It's Dad. Yeah, I was just wondering if you could, yeah. No, I mean, it's been a while, but yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'll talk to you then. Okay. But, well, I love you. I can call the neighbor. Yeah, I'll call the neighbor. She'll come. Well, my kids couldn't make it. They do love me, but they have other obligations that were more important. But my neighbor could, so here's my neighbor.
Is that it? Is that what the whacking? Right. I feel like I'm gonna want a palate cleanser. after the pork chop.
No, you're going right in for the pork chop.
Yeah, because I think I'm gonna want something that tastes better.
I don't think it's gonna taste bad. I think it just looks bad.
Alright. That tastes perfectly mediocre.
I'm gonna start with this.
Oh.
I wanna get a first reaction of this. No, me first.
Okay.
Stop it, I'm gonna eat it with
I'm
a
shortly
fork.
behind you. Is it good? Can I try it now?
It tastes gluten-free, but honestly,
Oh, that's dope.
I'm gonna try this with real flour. And I bet it'll be fine. I eat this just for fun.
Yeah.
I mean that's what we're doing.
I know,
so-
it's just for fun. You have to try the pork chop now.
Okay. If I saw pork chops at a gas station, I feel like this is what they would taste like. Like a pork chop rolling on the hot dog roller.
Yeah. It wouldn't be as wet though.
Thank goodness. It's very soggy.
It's soggy and then like all the like weird skinny fat bit is like coagulated on
Yeah.
top. Anytime you can use the term coagulation.
It's very
with your
coagulated. It's upside down. Why is your fork upside down?
It's how the British eat.
They don't balance it on the top upside down.
That's how the British eat.
I want to see you eat soup like a British person. All right, I'm just gonna eat a shrimp
Oh my god.
with my fingies. Yeah, tastes like shrimp.
That's a perfectly respectable way to make shrimp. I want more cornbread. Where'd it go?
There it is.
Microwave, cornbread, garlic shrimp, and savory pork chops.
It was fine. I feel like I have a lot of radiation in my head, just bouncing around.
Have a shrimp.
It's shot in through the eyeballs.
Have a shrimp.
No. Yeah, it's pretty.
Like if you're camping or something.
Yeah, if you're camping and all you got is a microwave.
I'm thinking like if you have like a RV.
The smell wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be. It leaves a shrimpy aftertaste.
All right. That was fun.
Yeah.
Bye, neighbor. Should pretend you hear the phone ringing and answer it, and it's your kids, and they're coming over.
Oh, is that the phone I hear? Hi, this is my residence. It's my children. And you want to come over? You know what? No. You've been so mean to me for so many years. No. No. I made so much food that I'm just going to throw away. And I just want you to know that. Bye.